Yo, check this out. Remember when we told you that ChatGPT was about to roll out in chat checkout? Well, it's here. And it's even bigger than we expected. So your customers can now buy straight from ChatGPT. No website, no cart, no redirect, just chat, click, and you're done. I'm gonna show you exactly how it works, why it matters, and 3 actionable steps that you can take right now to start taking advantage as a dropshipper. OpenAI finally and just officially partnered with Shopify, and here's the twist, with Etsy as well, to bring in-chat purchases directly to ChatGPT. Right now it's starting with just the US and Etsy sellers specifically, but Shopify is going to be next on the rollout list. So in a couple of days, maybe in a couple of weeks, Shopify is also going to be eligible for this. The feature works for all ChatGPT users, whether you're free, plus, or pro, and it is limited to single item checkout for now, but multi-item carts are going to be coming soon. Now merchants, they do pay a small fee. OpenAI hasn't disclosed the exact number just yet, and the whole system is powered by Stripe. Okay, so why does this matter for us? Well, first, frictionless conversation. Customers don't need to leave ChatGPT anymore or click through 5 different screens. Less friction means more sales. Second, ChatGPT itself just became an official sales channel, essentially. Think TikTok Shop, but living inside of an AI that already has 100 million users. Third, early adopters are going to win big. If your products show up first in ChatGPT's results, you've got the edge. And finally, this is a shift in just overall consumer behavior. Instead of Googling, where do I go buy some handmade jewelry, people will literally just ask ChatGPT, which I'm going to show you exactly in just a minute. And if you're optimized, or your websites are optimized, your product is going to show up. Now, just so you know, ChatGPT doesn't pick favorites. Listings are going to be ranked by availability, price, and quality. So make sure you keep those reviews up. The one limitation, for now, it's single item checkout only, like mentioned earlier. Bundles and kits are not just yet supported. So here's how it plays out step by step. So right now I am logged into ChatGPT, and this is only going to work when somebody is actually logged into ChatGPT. I'll show you exactly what I mean in a second. All right, so I'm simply just asking it, I'm looking for a few gift ideas under $50 for handmade jewelry for Mother's Day. So let's go ahead and see what it gives us. Now it's going to give us a little bit of text, it's going to give us a little bit of information, but then it should give us, there it is, a few different pieces. So right now we have one from Ana Luisa, Collective Hearts. So if we click on any of these, we get the option to visit the website. But then we have a few other listings. So check it out. We have the sterling silver initial necklace over here. We have a couple of other ones, and we have some more Etsy ones. Let's check this one out over here. We can see that it's giving us the option to check out the different variations. So let's go with the ball accent hook. And then we can just simply click on buy directly from the chat. All of the information that we see pre-filled here, so my credit card information and my address, this is pre-filled by the information that I have on ChatGPT. So because I do pay for the ChatGPT premium subscription, this is already on there. But even if your customers aren't signed in, then they can still go ahead and take advantage of this. They just need to fill in their information. So for example, I have another listing over here, and this is what's going to show on the customer's end if they're, let's say, not paying for ChatGPT or they don't have their payment information stored on ChatGPT. So they're going to have the option to be able to pay using Apple Pay, Google Pay, Link, or if they click on pay another way, then they can simply just put in their credit card information. So as you can see, this is essentially frictionless checkout directly in the chat. Now, when somebody places an order through ChatGPT, what's going to end up happening is everything in the backend is going to be exactly the same. So when a customer places an order through ChatGPT and it's one of your products, it's going to go to your Etsy dashboard or your Shopify dashboard. Or if you're using AutoDS, you're going to see it on your AutoDS dashboard. And from there, AutoDS will take care of everything like normal. So essentially the backend, it's not touched. You're not going to see any differences on your end, except for that added fee. Now, just in case if you are wondering, and you yourself place a couple orders through ChatGPT, you can also see where your orders are, or you can see the orders that you've placed in the past, simply by clicking on your little avatar or your name down here and clicking on orders, and then you'll see everything on here. All right, so what should you do right now? Well, number one, start to figure out what you're going to be selling in here. Start with single item products, since, bundles don't work just yet. Also, think about impulse buy products. Things like phone accessories, small home gadgets, pet items, stuff people won't overthink before hitting that buy button. And also make sure to keep your margins healthy. Factor in that OpenAI fee along with your supplier and shipping costs. Now, I know we don't know exactly what it's going to be, but let's think maybe 5 to 10%. This is just me thinking based on different averages that we've seen across the board in a few different marketplaces. So just take it with a grain of salt, but at least it starts to give you an idea as to how much you should start to raise certain prices by. All right, number 2, LLM or large language model optimization. Your product titles need to be searchable and conversational. ChatGPT pulls results based on how people actually phrase their questions. Use clean images. Do bullet point descriptions, and make sure you have your specs or the specifications for your product clearly laid out. So that way the AI can feel confident showing your product to the customers. That's crazy. An AI feeling confident to show it to your customers. But anyway, here we are. Also, think in terms of prompts. If someone says, what's the best earrings under $25? Will your product come up? Now, if you do want a full breakdown on optimizing your listings for AI search, just check out my other video right here. In it, I explain pretty much everything that you need to know on how you can start to train ChatGPT. Because if you don't know, it is completely different than when you train your listings or when you optimize your listings for SEO purposes for Google. All right, number 3, automate your dropshipping store with AutoDS. This is where you get your time back. AutoDS handles the backend while you focus on getting ChatGPT ready. So with automatic product imports, you can quickly test which products perform best in this new instant checkout funnel. Also, with price and stock monitoring, you can stay competitive, especially since ChatGPT is going to be ranking on availability and by pricing. And with automated order fulfillment, you never miss a beat. Customers expect instant results. Manual delays are going to cost you. Now, the bottom line, automation with AutoDS is how you're going to scale while ChatGPT becomes your next powerful sales channel. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. We still don't know the exact fee structure, so keep an eye on your margins. Make sure that you're always in the green, and AutoDS is going to help you with this. Also, don't over-depend on ChatGPT as your only sales channel. Spread yourself across Shopify, Etsy, TikTok Shop, Facebook Marketplace, Amazon, and use AutoDS to keep it all easy to manage. ChatGPT isn't just for writing anymore, or for you asking it literally everything that you need throughout the day, or even how to respond back to one of your friends. It is now officially starting to become a storefront. Dropshippers who move early will get the advantage. Now, if you want me to walk you through this step by step the moment that Shopify starts to go live, so that way you can see that update, make sure you drop a comment below and let me know what your thoughts are on this new, dropshipping platform. And also don't forget to subscribe, because this is just the start of a massive wave in e-commerce and dropshipping overall. Huge thank you so much for watching, especially if you made it this far. My name is Mario with AutoDS, and I'll catch you all next time.